specialty is in collecting data remotely from various types of operations such as mining, oil and gas, power generation, but also in the defense space. I think as a business owner, the responsibility to ensure that the business is secure and leading this young team, I have to be aware at least of the basics. We would like to learn those extra tools that we think we are missing. It has become very, very important for us to ensure that we are adequately and properly protected at all times. It's 24/7 actually. So it was good to be included in the program, to learn what are we missing. There's a lot to learn before you can start deciding exactly how do you want to protect yourself. You think you're protected, but you're protected to a degree, but not in totality. So through the CRC, we would like to learn a lot more. Somebody will be able to identify and say, that's a company which is protected, we'd like to follow that sort of company. So set an example is what we would like to be.